water as a source. So kids, don't waste time and let's start. About 70% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Water is found in rivers, seas, ponds, lakes and oceans. All living things need water for various activities. Plants need water to prepare their food. Animal needs water to drink and bath. We need water to drink, bath, cook food, wash clothes, etc. Change of state. You have already learned that water changes from one state to another due to heating and cooling. Evaporation. When the sun heated up water in water bodies such as rivers, lakes and oceans, the water turns into vapor or steam. The water vapor or steam leaves the water body and goes into air. The process of change in water into water vapors is called evaporation. Evaporation increases with an increase in temperature. Kids, what is condensation? The process of changing water vapor into water due to cooling is called condensation. When condensed and returned to the ground in several ways. If you take a look at plants and flowers in cool mornings, you will see tiny drop of water on them. This is dew. It is formed when the temperature is low and water vapor condenses on cool objects in the form of droplets. Now next is water cycle. The water present on the earth keeps on moving between lakes, rivers, oceans and the atmosphere in a circle known as water cycle. We already know that the sun's heat causes water to change into water vapor. This is known as evaporation. Similarly, cooling of water vapor from water in a process known as condensation. In nature, the process of evaporation and condensation happens continuously, resulting in the water cycle. Now, let us understand the water cycle in detail. First step, the sun heats the water present in the water bodies. Second step, the water evaporates and rises into the air. Third step, water vapor cools and condenses to become droplets which form clouds. Fourth step, when enough water condenses, the drops become heavy and fall to the ground as rain. If the temperature is too low, the water droplets fall down as snow. Fifth step, rainwater falls the sea, river, lakes and ponds again. Snow melts in summer and water falls down into rivers. Some water seeps in the soil of form groundwater. Groundwater is a major source of water in cities and is taken out by pumps. The rest flows through river back into the ocean. The water from the water bodies again changes into water vapor due to the heat of sun. Impurity of water. Rain is the main source of water on the earth. Rainwater falls water bodies. The water from the water bodies is not pure as it contains sand, stone, minerals, gums, etc. So it is unfit for drinking. The substances that make the water unfit for drinking are called impurity. This can be two types: soluble impurity and insoluble impurity. What is soluble impurity? The impurity that dissolve in water are called soluble impurity. For example, minerals such as chlorides, sulfates, bicarbonates of sodium, magnesium, calcium, and iron. And what is insoluble impurity? The impurity that do not dissolve in water are called insoluble impurity. For example, sand, stone, and pebbles. Purification of water. Even after the removal of soluble and insoluble impurities, water is not fit for drinking. It may contain germs. If we drink water containing germs, we feel sick. To protect ourselves for diseases such as cholera, typhoid, and dysentery caused by dirty water, we should purify water before drinking it. Water purification is the process of removal of harmful substance and germ to make it fit for human consumption. Purification of water is done in the following 3 steps. First step is boiling. Boiling is the oldest and the simplest way of purifying water. When water is boiled for 5 to 10 minutes, the germs present in it are killed. Second step is chlorination. Chlorine compounds such as hypochlorite in a large quantity is added to the filtered water to kill the germ present in it. The process of adding chlorine to kill the germ in the water is called chlorination. Chlorine tablets are also used for chlorination of water. Third and last step is water purifier. Water purifiers are nowadays commonly used in homes to purify water. The purifier not only remove impurities for water but also remove germs from water and make it fit for drinking. These purifiers are used different types of technologies and microfilters to remove germs. Water is precious. Everyone should have saved water. Saving rainwater is one way of saving water. Rainwater harvesting is a method of collecting and storing rainwater for later use. Rainwater falling on the roof of a building normally flow down the drain and is not used. This water can be stored for use by allowing it to flow into a deep hole into the ground or into a tank. It thus adds to the underground water or stores in the tank rather than being wasted. This is called rooftop rainwater harvesting. We can use containers such as basket, tubs, etc. to store water. So kids, go through learn the chapter, and any doubt and queries send comment and subscribe my channel.